So let me share the screen, then I'll give you the more understanding on the new feature, whichever I'm going to teach you today, right? Okay. So today we are going to learn about the bill of material. Anybody heard what is a bill of material exactly? Can anybody reply me exactly what is a bill of material? If you are concentrating on the class, then definitely, we already learned how to create the inventories, how to deal with the inventories in the case of purchase, in the case of sales. We already learned how to transfer the material from one go down to another go down. Today we are going to learn a very important feature in Tally, that is BOM. But before that, my question is, you should answer me, what is BOM? Because see, it is a feature related to manufacturing process. In the manufacturing process, what we processed, we have the raw materials, and after some processing, our raw material become a finished goods. Okay, so what is BOM exactly? I'm expecting the answer from you. Just answer me. Try to give me the answer, right? Because I know so many students are very attentive and they are doing simultaneously and they are giving regularly answer to me. So please answer me. What is BOM? BOM stands Bill of Materials. Bhumika, I got a one answer from Bhumika. Ragul, Manufacturing General. Materials and the instructions required to make a product is a bill of material. Very good. Appreciated, Bhumika. Very good. Bill of material is a components which required to make a particular product. Very good. Rohit, I got so many correct answers. It is a list of all the materials in past required to make a product. Very good, Tejishwar. Sony, a list of raw material required. Good, good, good. Very good. Very good. I'm very glad now you are all of you are very attentive in the class and you are regularly participating in the question and answers, and also you are doing the simultaneously practice, right? As I feel, because whenever you find some problem, then you immediately fire the query. Board of Association. No, please correct it. Bill of material. List of Rohit, list of material. Yes, everything is correct. Like so many correct answers are there. Dhruvi also correct. Shrikant. Yes, Shrikant. Great, great. Very good. It is a bill. No, it's a wrong. Huh? It is a bill which shows our purchase records of. No. It's a wrong. Please correct it. Okay. So let's start. Fine. So we are going to learn about the first. We will learn the BOM. Then we will learn the job work order in and job work order out. Okay. Then I'll give you the more understanding of job work. First, I'm going to create a one new company. Create company. Manufacturer process. Okay. The company name is manufacturing process. Then actually, bill of material concept is very common while we are having the manufacturing company. It is a very common concept when we are having the manufacturing company, because it is a very much used in manufacturing company, because manufacturing companies are what? They manufacture some product, then definitely to manufacture some kind of product, we need some kind of raw material now. Without raw material, it is not possible now. So whenever we need a raw material and we processed it, then it becomes a finished goods. This process is known as This process is known as consumption of raw material to generate a finished good. Okay, so to generate the finished goods, what kind of material we required, that is known as bill of material. Okay, BOM. Control A. Now, I'm going like as soon as we created a one company, there is a one screen which is known as F11. But presently I am not setting any kind of feature in it because later on I'll give you the more understanding how can we set the different features. But presently I'm not setting here the any features. And then okay, let me disable the GST taxation because soon we are going to start the taxation, payroll, everything. Okay, because almost we completed the 60% course and we learned the lots of concept. And today again we are going to learn the very important concept. So first of all, I'm going to shut the companies whichever is in use, because in Tele, you know, there is a one like you should understand if you are if you have opened the more than one company, then Tele will set automatically the feature according to the first open company. Like in the first company, we set the interest calculation. Then by default, it is giving me the interest calculation. Yes. Okay. So first of all, you should close all the companies so that according to you, you can disable or enable the features according to your current company, whatever you are creating. Now I created a manufacturing process company. Now I'm going to give you the understanding of bill of material. See, a very simple example. Just take a very simple example. Suppose I am having a business of computer assembly. Okay. Or I'm working as a in a computer assembly. I'm working in for computer assembling. What material we require? Hard disk, SMPS. Okay. SMPS is power supply. Then cords, so many cords, CPU, motherboard, hard disk, RAM. These are the raw materials to create to generate a one computer. So in Tele, definitely this is the software. In any case, we have to enter this kind of material. What like to become a finished good, what material we need required. So first of all, I'm going to create a two group. The first group is stock groups, right? Stock group. The first group is finished goods. And I'm not telling you about this store quantity of items to be it next time. Then raw material. Control. Okay, now I should create a items for the raw material in for the finished goods. So create one unit of measurement we require. So create unit, that is number, and there is no decimal place. Control A. Then we can create the items under the raw material and finished goods. So first the raw material for computer is RAM, that is random access memory, and then unit is number, and it should be under raw material because this is our raw material, right? This is the one of our raw material. Then hard disk. Again, this is raw material. Please don't forget to select the units because for quantities, if you want to describe if you want to mention the quantity and if you want to calculate the closing stock automatic calculated by the Tele, then it needs quantity. So units, right? Unit of measurement is a compulsory. Motherboard. Then CPU. And then CPU, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, then cords, or you can say bus, like the cords which is used to connect, that is known as buses. One monitor. raw material number. Then mouse controller. Then keyboard. Okay, last is speakers. Okay, we create the raw materials. Now definitely to finish goods is what? Computer or HP desktop is our finished goods. So for HP to create the to assemble the HP desktop, what material we required? That is BOM. So first of all, HP desktop. Anybody have query? Then just raise the query. Huh? If you are not getting properly, then raise the query. Oh, my screen is visible. I share my screen. My screen is not visible. Just answer me, please. Because so many students are writing screen is not visible. No, okay. Just a minute. Wait. I'll check. Okay. Now again, I'm going to share my screen and then please. Now it is visible. Is it visible? Please come on fast. Answer me. Is it visible? Just a minute. Should read here. Wait. I'm reading your messages. Please reply me. Is it visible? I'm not getting your answers. Rohit? I'm waiting. Okay. Pooja is saying it is visible. Please confirm. Is it visible? Oh, it is possible. It is shared from here. Is it visible now? Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
The screen is not visible.
Just one.
Sir, just confirm me.
Ma'am, it is okay now.
Ma'am, sir, tele screen is visible now because it's like so many students are like querying the screen is not visible.
But just ask them. I guess it is visible now.
It is visible now. Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks for the confirmation. Okay, students, please check your connections, and otherwise you have to rejoin if it is not visible. Please confirm. Okay, yes, now I got the answer. It is visible. Okay, so again, let me clear. See, there is a one example which I have taken. I am having the business of computer assembling, and for that, the raw material for computer assembling is one is RAM, second is hard disk, third is motherboard, then bus. So many items I already created. So just I'm going to show you the items. These are the items which I created to assemble a computer. Buses, CPU, hard disk, keyboard, monitor, motherboard, mouse, RAM, and speaker. These are the items which I need as a raw material to generate the computer. Okay, and computer is a finished goods. And still, if you are not like, you cannot check my screen, then check your connection, because now I'm getting the answer from the students. So many students there. Now my screen is visible. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now the thing is, I'm going to create a one finished goods, create stock item, HP desktop. This is the name of my computer. Okay. Then it is under finished goods because I created the raw material, and then I'm going to create a one item which I used to assemble. The name of that item is HP desktop, and it falls under finished goods. And then the unit of measurement is number. Now, if you are not getting the BOM option, then just press F12. Okay. If you are not getting the BOM option, then just press F12, and please enable both of the option of the configuration. Show more configuration, show all configuration. Enter. Then under the inventory details, there is an option of show set component list. There is an option of set component list. Set yes. Is it? Set yes. Enter. Now press Control A. The moment I press Control A, now I am getting the option of set components. Now I want to specify the components of raw material to generate the HP desktop, which is under finished goods. Okay. So I'm setting it the yes. Then the process, I should provide a one name to that process. That process name is assembly. Assemble computer. This is my assembly process name. To generate a HP desktop, so to assemble the HP desktop, one unit of HP desktop, I need the raw material buses. Like suppose I need 5 buses. Okay. Now one CPU, then one hard disk, then one keyboard, one monitor, and one motherboard, mouse, RAM, 1. But a speaker I needs 2. Okay, speakers I needs 2. Is it clear? Now I created a one bill of material. Bill of material is what? List of the raw materials to generate the finished goods. Now I press Control A, and then I don't need to mention the opening stock. Okay, now Control A. Is it clear? I'm sure it is clear. Okay. And the students who are working simultaneously with me, just create a one, create a one finished goods and raw material goods, and then just create the stock items under the raw material, and for finished goods we have to mention the bill of material. Okay. Fine. Okay, Bhumika, thank you so much. Hariharan, see, once again I am going to give you the understanding. First of all, in the today's session, I am going to first explain you the feature that is a very important feature. While we are having the manufacturing company, in that case, definitely to generate the finished goods, we need some kind of raw material. Okay. And so to generate a finished goods, what kind of raw material you required? Okay. So that is known as a bill of material. Okay. So I created one new company in Delhi. I created one company in Delhi. Just say. I created one company in Delhi. The company name is manufacturing process. And in a manufacturing process, I created two stock groups. The one is finished goods, second one is raw material. Fine. Then I created the stock items, buses, CPU, hard disk, HP desktop, keyboard, HP desktop. Okay, I should delete it. Buses, CPU, hard disk, keyboard, these all are the raw material. These all are the raw material. So I put it in under the raw material group. Okay, I put it in under the raw material group. All are the raw material. Fine. Now I'm going to create the one item that is the HP desktop. This is my finished goods. So it should be under finished goods. Is it clear? Next. Now, suppose you are not getting the BOM option, then press F12. Under F12, just enable both the options, show more configuration, show all configuration, and then inventory details. Then in the inventory details, there is an option of BOM in stock items. Set it yes, enable it. Then you will get one option that is set components BOM. Okay. Now, when I set components BOM yes, then immediately it is asking the name of that process. That process name is assemble computers. Okay, this is my process name. Don't confuse. Then I should specify to manufacture the 1 HP desktop. I need buses, 5 buses, 5 quantity of buses, 1 CPU, 1 hard disk, 1 keyboard, 1 monitor, 1 motherboard, 1 mouse, 1 RAM, and speakers I need 2. I need 2 speakers. Speakers 2 and control A. Fine. Now press Control A again. Now the next is, if you want manufacturing process, then to manufacturing process you have to pass one manufacturing voucher. But in a Tele, by default there is no manufacturing voucher. By default, there is no manufacturing voucher. For that, you have to create again a manufacturing voucher. If you remember, in the previous session, when I give you the clarification on customized Tele, then I told you how to create a voucher types in Tele. Now today again I am going to create a voucher types in Tally because there is no manufacturing voucher in Tally available. So first of all, you have to create a one manufacturing journal. I'm going to name it manufacturing journal. Okay. The name for that voucher is manufacturing journal. Then select the type of voucher. It should be under stock journal. What is stock journal? What is stock journal? You are attending from very first day. So many students are there who are attending my sessions from very first day. What is stock journal? Why this voucher is used? Stock journal. Come on, fast answer me. Stock journal. What is stock journal? Why it is used? What is stock journal? Answer me. Why it is used? Yes, Gopi, thank you so much. To transfer the stock from one godown to another. Transfer of material. Very good. Soon we are going to start the taxation part. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. I am very glad you remembered and you are attentive in the class. Appreciate it. Okay. So again, for the manufacturing process, definitely it is again it is a type of stock journal. Why? Because raw material will be transferred to become a finished goods. So I'm going to create a one manufacturing journal in this type of voucher is stock journal. Enter, 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 enter. At the end, there is an option use as manufacturing process. Use as manufacturing journal. Just set it yes. Just set it yes. Use as manufacturing journal. Just set it yes. Control A. So what will be the effect of to create this kind of voucher? By creating this kind of voucher, the effect of Alt Tab 7 is a shortcut key for the stock journal. But now I want to create a manufacturing journal. See, the interface are completely different. Now you can process for manufacturing. But still we need some kind of vouchers because presently we don't have any kind of stock. Because our stock summary, you can check our stock summary is blank. Our stock summary is blank. Now, create some ledgers. I'm going to create ledgers, local creditor, sundry creditor. Then 15 days credit period and control it. The ledger is to be created as we used to create it regularly. Okay, there is no different to create the ledger. Purchase account under purchase. Control A. Sales account under sales. Control A. Next, local debtor. Sundry debtor. Control A. I'm sure you are getting. I'm sure you are getting properly. Okay. I created 4 ledgers. One sale, second is purchase, third one is local creditor, fourth one is local debtor. Because I need to pass some transactions. Okay. Now, I'm going to purchase some raw materials. So to purchase some raw material, again you need to pass the purchase voucher F9001. Then party name is local creditor. Control A. If you wish that, then you can specify these details also. But I'm not going to specify these details. Just press Control A, Control A. Purchase account. Now I purchased buses. How much? 100. And the rate is 250. Now I purchase CPU 50 or 20. Okay. And the rate is 1500. Then hard disk. I purchased 50. Okay. And the hard disk rate is 3250. RAM. Again 50. I purchased 3000 for 3500. Then monitor. I purchased 25 monitors at the rate of 6250. Then mouse. 100, 150. Keyboard. 100, 250. And last is speakers. I purchased the speakers 200 at the rate of 1250. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now the total voucher amount is 8,750,000. I'm going to open my voucher in a full screen. Just check and do it yourself. Fine. Just check it. See, these are the items which I purchased from local creditors. Just enter with yourself. Because I'm sure from like so many students are doing simultaneously. Do it fast. Just purchase these items. Completed? Okay. Now, after like purchasing these items, just press Ctrl A. Now you can check in your stock summary. You are having whatever stock you purchased, you are having. Okay, it is showing you. Whatever the stock you purchase, it is showing you you are having that kind of stock. But still you don't have the HP desktop, isn't it? You don't have the HP desktop. Why you are not having that HP desktop? Why you are not having HP desktop? Tell me. Dhruvi, why we are not having HP desktop? Because our stock summary is not showing the HP desktop. Answer. Not manufactured. Yes, Ashwit, still it is not manufactured. So for manufacturing the stocks, HP desktop, suppose we got the order for the 10 HP desktop. Okay, just assume. I'm not passing any entry. Or if you wish, then you can pass the entry. For example, suppose voucher purchase order. Okay, I'm passing the purchase order. Sale order, sorry. So show inactive. Sale order. Now I got a one sale order from local debtor. And order number is 101. I got the order for HP desktop, but still I don't have any HP desktop. I will deliver it within a 15 days. For 10 HP desktop, I got a order and the rate is 65,500. Okay, but still I don't have any HP desktop. But though it is not sale, so it will not reflect in our P&L because it is not sale. But before selling, I should manufacture the HP desktop. So how I can manufacture the HP desktop? If you remembered, I created a one voucher type that is manufacture general. I created a one voucher type that is manufacturing general. Which voucher type I created for manufacturing general? Which voucher type I created for manufacturing general? Answer. Write down the answers. Which voucher type I created for manufacturing? I told you. Students. Yes. Manufacturing general. I created a one stock. No, under stock general, I created a new voucher type, Dhruvi, that is manufacturing general. Okay, I'm going to give you the again understanding. See, alter voucher type, this voucher. I created this voucher type. The name is manufacturing general. And please remember at the end, there is an option, last third option, use as manufacturing general. Set it yes. Now, still I don't have stock HP desktop. So I cannot sell the HP desktop, though I also got the order of HP desktop. So first to manufacture the HP desktop, you should press Alt F7, which is the shortcut key for stock general and manufacturing general. Okay, the interface is completely different. The moment I select here the HP desktop, it is giving me the list of items. This is BOM component. This is BOM component. How much quantity you want to manufacture? 10. Then automatically it is taking 50 buses. Why it is taking 50 buses? Because in the assembly computer process, I already mentioned to generate a 1 HP desktop, I need 5 buses. So that's why it is taking 50 buses. Is it clear? 10 CPU, 10 hard disks, 10 keyboard, 10 monitors, 10 motherboards, 10 mouse, 10 RAM, but 20 speakers. Because I mentioned 2 speakers I want for 1. And here is a cost of computer is 18,650. Per computer cost will be 18,650. Okay, enter. Now, at the time of manufacturing, there is also expenses of labor. There are packaging expenses or labor. So Alt C, just create a packaging expenses. That should be the ledger under indirect expenses. Control A. How much percentage? 20%. So now the cost is 22,380. Then enter. Is it clear? Is it clear how I manufacture the process? How I generate the 10 HP desktop? Is it clear? Should I show you? Okay. I got the answer from Priyanshi. Yes, it's clear. Thank you. Okay. So Now I can check my stock summary. I'm having finished goods also. And in the finished goods, I'm having HP desktop. Now raw material. Now buses, I'm having only 50 numbers. Why? Because 50s are transferred to become the, because 50 buses are raw material. To generate the finished goods, we need 50 buses to generate the 10 finished goods. Number of units are 10. So monitor, I'm sure like motherboard is not purchased. So first motherboard should be purchased. So display more reports, day book. I forget to purchase the motherboard. Motherboard 50 3,500. Control A. Now you can check how much motherboard you are having. Now you are having motherboard 40. Why? Because I purchased 50, but 10 is consumed by the manufacturing process. I can check in my day book, stock general. Because at the time it was not purchased, so it is not taking the rate. Now I can take the rate. Now it is right. Now 26,580 is a cost. 26,580 is a cost. You can check in the stock also. Finished goods, you are having 2,65,800 and raw material, you are having 790 to 250. Is it clear? Is it clear? Clear now? Sony, what do you want? Please repeat the HP part. Okay. Fine. So now I'm having the HP desktop. So I can deliver the HP desktop to my debtor because I'm having the order. So F8 sales. The moment you select local debtor, now you are having the order number. See, Control A. Control A says. Now the cost is, now the price is 65,500. Okay, because I already said. Okay, now I completed the first concept. If you wish, then you can check the stock summary. See, now I'm having only the rest items and then finished goods because I sold out the finished goods. Is it clear? First concept is complete now. No, I'm giving you the another example for BOM. No issue. I'm going to give you the another example. Oh, just a minute, huh? Just a minute. I'm going to show you the voucher because I got the query from the students like they want. Okay, just check the see. Okay, Alt P. Now preview. Now you should check the rate and quantity. You should check. I'm waiting for you. Okay. Is it completed? Clear now? Should I move for the next? I'm going to give you the another example. Huh? Okay, so let me open that example. Yes. Let me clear, huh? Please. Wait for a minute. See, this is the example. Manufacturing journal entries. Okay. Gold ring manufactured by using 10 gram gold, 4 gram silver, 1 gram copper. This is again a very important, because in this case, see, there is a there are the purchase of gold, silver. There are the purchase of gold, silver in grams, in silver in kgs, but and still they were having the gold in, they have to use the gram and kilogram both for these metals. Gold 250 grams and silver 2.380 kilograms. Like they used to purchase in kgs and grams both, but they used to consume for ring in grams. Is it clear? Is it clear? Fine. So I'm going to give you the example of this ring. This is example in Delhi. See, first of all, you have to enter some, you have to create some metal. Group create, stock group, metal. And under metal, you have to create stock items, but before that, you have to create a unit. There is an option of simple and compound. I'm going to create a one simple unit, that is gram. In the decimal place should be 3. Then I'm going to create a kilogram. In the decimal place again should be 3. But now I'm going to create a compound unit of 1 kilogram of 1000 gram. 1 kilogram of 1000 gram. Is it clear? Please concentrate on the screen. How I created the compound, because first time I am going to give you the clarification on compound unit. Is it clear how I can create the compound unit? Fine. So I created a one compound. First, I created 2 units, kilogram, grams, and then compound unit 1 kgs of 1000 grams. Then control A. Okay, I created the units. If you wish, then you can check. Gram, kilogram, then 1 kilogram of 1000 grams. 1 kilogram of 1000 grams. Now, create stock items, gold. Okay, it is like it is purchasing in kilogram and gram both. So kilogram, then alternate unit F12, you can purchase in an alternate unit, that is grams. Alternate unit. Yes. I'm going to purchase it in a gram also. Then 1000 grams of 1 kg. Control A. Then same thing is a silver. Then metal. Then again kilogram and gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Control A. Then copper. Metal. Then again kilogram. Then 1000 gram of 1 kg. Control A. Okay. Is it clear? It is clear. Purchase our stock item is not showing. How it is possible? Checks one again. It should be in a stock summary. It should reflect in a stock summary. First, make sure you pass the purchase voucher. So just check your day book. Giridharan, just your checkbook. Is the purchase voucher is there or not? If the purchase order is not purchase is not saved, then in the P&L it will not show. In the stock summary it will not show. So make sure your purchase is saved. Yes. Now I'm going to purchase the gold. Okay. Vouchers 001. Then party name Alt C, Bombay Jewelers. Then sundry creditor. Control A. Okay, I'm going to purchase the first is a gold. How much it is, you can check. $250 grams, 1390 is a per gram cost. 250 grams, 1390 is a per gram cost. So 250 grams. So it is taking kilograms. So instead of that, 250 gram. Okay, now it is by default, it is automatically converted. Then how much rate is there? 1390. 1390. Total amount is, it is gram per gram cost. So total amount is 3,47,500. Then I purchased, first is a gold and second is a silver. 2.380 kgs. Silver. 2.380 kgs. In the silver rate is 19,880. 19,880. Okay. Then copper. In this example, there is not like they not purchased the copper. Copper is not there. Okay. So I'm going to press Control A because copper is an opening stock. It is given. They have the copper as an opening stock 5.690 kgs, 5,500 is a per kilogram rate. Control A. Then copper, you should enter the copper opening stock. Item copper. How much they are having? 5.690 kgs. 5.690 kgs. Then the rate is 5,500. 5,500 kg. Okay. Enter. Now please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? How I created the metals, how I create the compound unit. Giridharan, if you are in your purchase voucher, the list of item is not showing, that's mean your list of item is not created yet. You haven't saved it. Please don't forget to press Ctrl A to save it. Yes. I'm going to continue the same example in same company. No issue. How did you keep kg and GA? Oh, okay. Sneha, just I am going to give you the clarification. See, in a unit of measurement, I created 1 gram, one stock unit gram, simple, kg simple, but here I created the compound unit. This is my compound unit. Okay. Now, when I create the stock items of gold, copper, then I set it the alternate unit grams. By pressing F12, you can find here the alternate unit. Just set it yes. Use alternate units. Just set it yes. Then first is a kg, second is a gram, and then 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. You should give here the clarification. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Is it? Anybody have some issue? Copper's opening stock. Okay, I'm see 5.690 kg and 5,500 is a rate. See, you can like opt the alternate unit. You should create the compound unit 1 kilogram of 1000 kg, 1 kilogram of 1000 grams. Right? Should I move ahead? I'm sure everybody completed now. Okay. Now next. Now see in the example, just read it carefully. In the example, manufacturing journal entries. Gold ring manufactured by using 10 gram golds, 4 gram silver, 1 gram copper. Though we purchased the copper in kgs, we are having the stock in kgs, but they used it in a 1 gram. In the total weight of ring is 15 gram. So you should first you should create a ring, gold ring, by creating the item gold ring. Then gold ring in numbers. or you can set it the grams. Then enter BOM. Just set bill of material component, yes. Then manufacture process. Is it clear how I created? Okay, I'm going to again. See, but first you should create a gold ring as an item. Unit should be grams because they are saying 15 grams ring you have to generate. And then alternate unit is not used. Set the BOM is yes, then just assign the name manufacturing. 15 gram ring, 15 gram, the ring weight is 15 gram. To create the 15, to manufacture the 15 gram ring, we need a copper that is 1 gram. See, here is a given 1 gram copper. The moment I enter the 1 gram, it is giving me the 0.001, right? Then enter. Then silver. Silver is 4 gram silver. So just enter 4G, 4 gram. Then gold. And gold is 10 gram gold. So 10G, 10G. Automatically it is converting that. End of list and control A. And control A. Now I want to manufacture the ring. Right? Before that I can pass the sales order. Then vouchers, Alt F7, manufacturing general. Now the moment you press here the gold ring, it is automatically giving the copper, silver, gold. And you are manufacturing the 15 gram gold ring. So 15 gram gold ring by default it is taking this in the rate of like per unit cost is 3985. It is giving you the per unit cost also. Is it? And control A. Now give me the answer. Is it clear or not? Just answer me. Giridharan, maybe you should press Control F to change mode. You should take item invoice. That's why I'm sure like this is the very common reason. Giridharan, you cannot pass the purchase order, na? A purchase voucher, na? So just Control S and item invoice. Take the press Control F and item invoice. Control F, huh? I'm going to circulate this example also. Go down. Okay. This is stored on. Downloads. Okay. I'm going to circulate this example also. That is go down. Okay. So I'm sure sir will circulate this example too. Then please do it, and then tomorrow I'll ask like, is it completed or not? Okay, because see, I already gave you the clarification. I instructed so many times. After 1 or 2 days, I'll give you the one email ID to submit the assignments. Is it? Is it? Now I'm having the gold ring in my stock also. See, here is a gold ring. In all the material, whatever I required to generate the gold ring automatically reduced from my metal group, gold and then silver and then see metal group. It is showing the difference. Should be in a metal. See, metal, raw material, gold ring. Is it clear? Thank you, Dhruvi. It depends on you. Whatever you want, just assign that stock name A, B, C, D, whatever. But the proper is there should be two groups. Na metal group, finished goods, raw material. I am having that groups. And under metal groups, I purchase the gold, silver, and copper. Is it clear? Make sure. Otherwise, see, I'm going to move for the next feature. Next feature is again a very important. Amit, thank you. Manish. Rest student confirm. And do it yourself now. I'm here. I'll help you a lot, but please do it yourself. I'm going to open my manufacture of material. See. Do it yourself. I'm waiting for the 5 minutes. Do it. Completed? Now, I'm going to move for the next feature of the today's session. Okay. See, if you checked in the tally, there are vouchers. There are vouchers, different vouchers, job work in order, and then material in. Just a minute, I'm reading your messages. Okay. So there are voucher types. Here is a, you can check, alter. Voucher types. So inactive. See, job work in order and job work out order. Before like giving the understanding, please like if you are getting properly, then please like write the answer. What do you mean by job work? What is the meaning of the job work? Just write down. What is the meaning of job work? Waiting, I'm waiting. Please mention me. What do you mean by job work? Okay, okay, I'll show you the full screen. Okay. Ranjit, I'm not getting. Ma'am, manufacture gold ring quantity value is not disable means what? Yes. Sometimes, there are different kinds of work. Like sometimes I'm working as a job work. I don't have any kind of raw material. Only I'm doing the job work for assembling. That's it. I'm doing the job work for assembling. No raw material I used to purchase. No finished good I used to sell. I'm only having the job work. Okay. So for that job work, I'll get the material from definitely from my creditor. And after processing, I should deliver to my debtor. That like debtor, right? And then for that, we charge something from for the job process. Okay. So for that, you have to create a one. For that, there is an option of in a F11, there is an option under the inventory. There is an option of enable job order processing. I already enabled by, and then cost tracking, enable job costing. Control A. Control A. After that, first you can check here. See, you are having the job work in order. And then I want material in also. Because for job work, I should in the material. I should in the material. For example, suppose I'm getting the job work order for manufacturing the. I should take the another example, right? Because see, a computer is already given. Okay, so I should complete first. I'm going to give you the example of this. See, job work in order. Emerald Shine makers received a job work in order from Sunshine Industry. So Sunshine Industry in manufacturing the following goods. Okay, following goods. Now this time you should create the Sunshine Industry ledger. These are the different stocks. This is the item. They used to work a job to generate the electronic cooker. To build the electronic cooker, they need aluminum supplies, becquerel handle knob, rubber gaskets, macro switches. And they don't purchase it. They'll get these items from the job work provider. Okay, job work provider. And then the next is the stock is maintained in separate godown from job work purpose. The raw material and the finished goods are stored in sunshine godown. Whatever the raw material we will get from the sunshine, we will store it in a sunshine godown as a third party godown. Okay, I'm going to give you the explanation. In that case, you have to create a one material in also. So I'm going to start the process. First, you have to create the sunshine ledger. Here is a sunshine. So just I'm going to copy it. Sunshine Industry. Sunshine Industries. Under sundry creditor. Okay, Control A. Now I have to create a godown also. So I'm going to create the godown. Create new sunshine godown. And this godown basically used to store the third party material. So just press F12 key. There is an option of show storage of material. Yes. Then enable third party stock. Yes. Control A. Filter. Sunshine godown. See, allow storage of material or stock with third party. It should know. But third party stock with us. Yes. Control A. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now next. Now we should create the stock items according to pressure cooker, electronic pressure cooker, electronic cooker. Electronic cooker. The first item is aluminum supplies, 5 kg. Aluminum supplies, 5 kg. And it should be under. Okay, I'm not like going to create the group, different group. Then kgs. And Control A. Aluminum supplies, Becketile handle knob. Handle knob. It is in numbers, 2 numbers. Okay. So I'm going to select the numbers. Control A. Next is rubber gaskets numbers. Rubber gaskets. Again, it is in numbers. If any doubt, then please micro switch. Please write down in the query session. Numbers. Control A. Now, which item I should create and where I should define the bill of material? Answer me. Where I should define the bill of material? Which item I should create? Which item? I see. It is not work given to other organization. Work given from other organization. Work assigned from other organization. Okay. Now, please answer me which item I should create, where I should mention the bill of material. Just read out. Just read out. Job, work in order. Read out and then answer me. I should create a stock item of electronic cooker. And in electronic cooker, we have to mention the Bill of material. To manufacturing one number of electronic cooker, the following components are consumed. So this is the BOM, bill of material. This is a list of components. Electronic cooker. Is it? In the electronic cooker, we have to, yes. Third party. Okay. Third party means what? See, this is not our stock, na? It is third party stock. So when you create the go down, na, then there is an option of third party stock. So just press F12 and then there is an option of third party stock. You should keep the stock of third party. That is not your stock. I'm going to create one item that is electronic cooker and it should be under number. I'm not going to create any group. Or you can create the group job work group. Okay. From here you can create job work. Under job work, finished goods, raw material goods, you can create. Then not applicable. And here is BOM. Set BOM, yes. Now, manufacturing process. To generate one electronic cooker. To generate one electronic cooker, you need aluminum supplies 5 kgs. Aluminum supplies 5 kgs. Where it is stored? So I'll store in a sunshine go down. 5 kgs. Then Becquerel handle knob 2 numbers. Becquerel handle knob, sunshine go down 2 numbers. Then rubber gasket 2 numbers. Sunshine go down 2. Because in a sunshine go down, we have the third party stock. Our stock is not there. Then micro switch. Sunshine go down 1. Control A, Control A, Control A. Now just write down. Any doubt? Because today I'll finish these concepts. Huh? From tomorrow we will learn the new concepts. Is it clear? Just check, huh? Electronic cooker. I mentioned here it is my job work, under job work, and then BOM. See, I mentioned here the bill of material, list of materials used to generate the finished goods. Anybody have some doubt? Okay. Now, first, you should take the job work order. How you can take the job work order? By passing the job work voucher. Job work order voucher. Job work in order. Job work out is a different thing. When we outsourcing now, then it is job work out. We used to provide the raw material to someone and then they used to after consuming the raw material, they'll generate a one finished goods. So this is job work out. But opposite is we are getting the raw material from the creditor and after generating some finished goods, we are providing the item to the creditor. Is it? Now job work order. It is Sunshine Industry. See, here is no purchase ledger because no need to debit the purchase because it's not our purchase, na, it is job work in order 101. Then name of item is, what should I select? Aluminum stripes or like what, or micro switches or cooker or what? What should I select? Okay, I should select the electronic cooker. Electronic cooker. Okay, track component. Yes. Then due on 15 days. Then go down, sunshine, go down. Quantity is, here it is given, that is 50 quantity. 50 quantity, 1200 rupees per. 50 quantity. Right. Now, there is no need to mention the rate. Now, fill components using manufacturing. Okay. Manufacturing is my process name. And aluminum supplies, it is pending to receive. Still, I am not receiving it. It is pending to receive. Then enter. Okay. Due on this and 250 kg. Why it is giving me the 250 kg? Because 5 kg each I need for electronic cooker. So it will automatically multiply by 50. 5 into 50, 250. Then Bechdel handle knob, pending to receive. Pending to receive, still I am not having. Then rubber basket, pending to receive. Then micro switch. Enter, enter. Then there is no need to provide the rates. Because see, it is not our stock, or like I'm not like I'll not sell it. If you wish, then you can mention the rate, but this will not take reflect in your P&L. See, rate is mentioned here, 1200. 1200. Okay, the moment I pass the job work in order, now I receive the material, but still I am not having the material. If you wish, then you can check in the stock summary. No aluminum stripes or like micro switch, anything I don't have. So first you have to pass the material in. Material in. Here is other voucher, material in. Okay, like after getting the material in, you can pass the manufacturing entry. Now party name. Party name is Sunshine Industries. Then go down should be Sunshine, go down. Material, aluminum supplies. Then consider a scrap, no. The moment you select the order number, okay, Sunshine, go down. 250 kg. There is no need to pass the amount. But if you wish, then you can again press the amount. In the next page, it is given. 20 per kg, 5,000 is the amount. Material in 20 per kg. So I should specify the $5,000. Then next is Bechdel handle. So I'm getting 100 numbers. Why? Because they provide me the order for the 50 pressure cooker, 50 electronic cooker. Then rubber gasket. Which number it's in macro switch. That's it. Rubber order number. Automatically it is giving you, no? Then macro switches. Just saved it. Now you are having in your go down. You can check. Go down summary, na? Stop item wise. It should be the this is job work order. Okay. Now you have to generate a electronic cookers. Then by pressing Alt F7. The moment you select here the electronic cooker, it is automatically taking, and the go down is sunshine. Quantity is 50. By default, it is consuming the all. Just a minute. I will enter the material. Now, why it is not showing me material? I should check. Display more reports. Go down summary. I should check because see, it is showing me the on loss, negative stock. So I should check it. Show stock items with zero quantity or balance C, and then show other party also. And I'm placing here the instead of net. So it is not showing. Let me check. Clear. Let me check. Display more reports. The books go down. Then go down. Yes, aluminum supplies is there. But inward, outward should not be there. This is my material, right? That is packet and handle. Just a minute, 10 numbers. Aluminum supply is 20 and it is 10 per number. So it should be 10. Was 20. Control A. A rubber gasket. The rubber gasket is 5 rupees. So switch 100 rupees. Actually, see, it will not like reflect in our anything, but you can enter the rate. It's not necessary to enter the rate, but you can. You should generate the Alt F7 for manufacturing the pressure electronic. The go down should be sunshine. And the quantity is 50. Right? Now the thing is clear. So if 50 is generated, because see, this is third party stock, it's not our stock, controlling. Right? Now afterward, you should pass the charges, assembling charges from creditor. You can charge the assembling charges. Just press F7 key. Assembling charges. Okay. Enter. Shine Industry. New reference for this is our assembling charges 4,500. Then to assembling charges. Indirect income. Control. You can check in the stock summary. It's passed now. It's not passed, so just again voucher. Enter. Assembly charges. See, it is asking for the cost center. So because in this exam, in this question, I already, so as here the cost center should not be applicable. So just press F12 and here the cost center option should be there. No? You should enable it, disable it. Can you disable? Now it will take reflect in your pay. Indirect income is 4,500 and it is not showing you the stock of pressure cooker. See, it is not showing you the stock of pressure cooker. Is it clear? Because it is the third party stock. It was not our stock. It was not our stock. The opposite is material out. Okay, after manufacturing general, first you have to pass the entry for the material out because presently you generated the electronic cooker and you stored it in a so you can pass the like instead of passing the this voucher, just delete it. That is general. First you have to deliver the material. So for that you have to pass the material out. Material out. To whom? Sunrise Industry. Okay, destination go down. We don't know the destination go down, so just not applicable. And the item is electronic cooker. We dispatch the item. Okay, to the Sunshine Industry. Right, with the reference number of MOS11. If you wish, then you can create the reference number. You can create the reference number. Material out. And if you wish, then you can provide here the complete detail, dispatch through, dispatch dock number, destination, everything. But I'm not going here to mention here the details. Now the next is sales voucher. Instead of like passing the general voucher, you can book the income from sales voucher. Emerald Shine Maker booked the income of 60,000 in the sales invoice from Sunshine Industries for job work. For job work. And the reference is with reference number JWC 006. So, job work. F8. Sales. Still it is giving me the change mode. Should not be in the job work. It should be either record in the receipt. I think so. In the example, some mistake is there. Sunshine Industry assembling charges. Okay. 45,000. Sunshine. Now you can provide here the reference. Because it is receipt, so that's why. So you can pass the general. Here should be the Sunshine. Reference. 5,000. Then assembly charges. The previous entry was correct. Okay. Job work order income under means what? What you want exactly? I'm not getting properly your question. Just write down in a clear way, right? Yes, yes, Dhruvi, I'll send it to you. Even I already sent, and then from head office, they will send you soon. See, general entry to book the income. To book the income, na? Because see, if no cash or no bank is there, then you cannot pass the entry in the receipt or payment. Na? So for that, you have to pass the general entry. Is it? Anybody have some query? It is wrong. Sales voucher. I'll check it out. Why it is giving me the sales voucher? I'll check it out and then I'll give you the answer. Because I'm not sure sales voucher should not be there. Material out is correct because we have to send the material to the Sunshine Industry. But this is, I'm not sure this is correct because sales voucher should not be there. No, only JV should be there. But they passed the sales voucher first and then afterward they received the voucher. They passed the general voucher with reference number JWC006. And JWC006, I'll check it out. And then they received the 60,000 from Sunshine. We'll check. Wait a minute. I'm checking it. Wait a minute. Check it. Wait a minute. Because it is given under the documentation. So I should check why they passed the sales entry. If you have sometimes, if you have confusion also, then you can go through the document because documents are provided. Till that you have to complete. Just give me the 5 minutes. Okay. Out like wasting the time. We will check it tomorrow. Okay. So let me give you the another. So I'm moving to the another Yeah, Pavitra, it is little bit confusing. So I'll check it and then I'll give you the explanation. Okay. Yes, this is little bit confusing. Still, like I feel this is confusing. So please. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Huh? Without wasting the time, we are moving to the next feature. I'll repeat it tomorrow because see, I'm feeling like this is again the little bit confusing. I'll repeat it tomorrow. Okay. Just tell me. Should I switch to the topic? Because see, a little bit confusing is there now. So definitely I'll give you the tomorrow. I'll give you the another explanation. Fine. Okay. Now see F11. F11. We learn these things now. Now today I'm going to give you the another example of enable multiple price level. This is the new feature again in the Tally. Enable multiple price level. Now what is a price level? Price level. For example, till date we have learned how to set the standard cost and standard price. How to set the standard cost and standard price. But I want the cost and the price should be different for the manufacturer and for the retailer and for the wholesaler. So in that case, we have to create the price level. What is price level? Price level means what? Price level means what? We have learned the standard price and cost. Standard cost and standard price we have learned. But we want to create the different price for the wholesaler and for the retailer. Then in that case, we have to manage the price level. Okay, so we are going to start the price list and price level. So here is an option of create. There is an option of price level. Price level, enter. Now company price level for the dealer, it should be different. And for the retailer, it should be different. Retailer, it should be different. Control A. Now I want to create the price list. So from where I can create the price list? From here, price list, stock group. You can create the price list for the category also. Now, for the finished goods, and if you remember, for finished goods, I'm having a one item that is the computer, HP desktop. And a price level for dealer. I'm going to create the price list for dealer. Enter. For suppose HP desktop, if the quantity is less than 10, if the quantity is less than 10, then the rate is 75,000. Enter. No discount is given. Okay, this is my cost price it is giving because when we manufactured it, then cost price automatically calculated by the Tally. If the, okay, I'm taking here the 5. If the HP desktop greater than 5, but less than 10, or right, then the price will be 75,000, but the discount will be 5%. Okay, so this is the way how can we create the list. But I'm going to create this list for dealer. If the HP desktop is 10 and then less than 20, then rate should be 72,500 and then the discount is 5%, 7.5. And more than 20, there is no different rate. Control A, Control A. Okay, now this time I'm going to manage the price list for retailers. HP desktop. If it is retailer, if it is less than 5, okay. Then 2, okay. Then the rate is 85,000. No discount. If they are taking from like between 2 to 5, less than 2, greater than 2, but less than 5, then the rate will be 82,500 and still good discount will be 5%. Okay, and Control A. Now, first of all, I should check how many HP desktop I am having. I don't have any HP desktop because all the HP desktop I already sold out. So first I should Alt F7. HP desktop. And the go downs is finished goods. Okay, it should be main location. Then quantity is 50. 50. Now I generate the 50. I am having the 50 laptops. Now, right now I am having the 50 HP desktop. Control A. Now I want to sold out. I want to sell it. F8 to local data. Control A, Control A. Now it is asking local data to local data. Would you like to follow the price list of dealer or retailer? Suppose say if it is dealer. Sales. Right. I want to sell the HP desktop. Go down is. And I want to sell the HP laptop 10. Then the rate is 72,500. If you remembered. If you remembered, I make the dealer price. If it is, let me show. Filter. Price level, dealer. Dealer, okay. See, if it is less than 5, then rate is 75,000. If it is 5 to 10, then it is also 75,000, but discount will be there. But if it is greater 10 or greater than 10, then rate is 72,500. If you remember, when I select the 10 number, then it is taking 72,500. Okay, now I am to sell it. Dealer. HP desktop. Now I'm selling only 5 quantity. Then what will be the price? See, 75,000. And if I'm selling 10, then rate is 72,500. Enter, enter, enter. Is it? And suppose again I'm going to sell to the debtors. Dealer. Sales. Not applicable. HP desktop. And then again I'm selling 4. Then rate will be 75,000. If you remember the price list. Right? Now, I'm going to sell to the retailer, cash, retailer. Okay. And then sales, HP, text. I'm selling from main location, I'm selling 1. Then the rate is 85,000, if you remembered. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, Bhumika, price level and price list. How I created the price level and how I created the price list. See, I created 2 price level. One is dealer and second one is wholesaler or retailer. Dealer and retailer or wholesaler or retailer. Whatever you create. Huh? See, name is not important. The main thing is work, how the work can be done. Okay. So students, if you are doing simultaneously, then do it fast. Shall I move? Fine. Next. Now I'm selling only 1. Huh? I'm selling only 1. And if the cash discount is there, discount allowed. Indirect expenses. Okay. In that case, we can create the class now, so that discount allowed should automatically get there. But first is end of list. Now, again, I should check the retailer price list. This is if he's taking 3, then he will get the discount of 5%. So now this time I'm selling 3. Cash, retailer, sales account, HP, text. Then 3. And 82,500, the rate is 82,500. In that case, we can fix the discount also through class, because I already gave you the understanding of class. How can we create the class? Is it price level and price list? Very good option. Very good option. See, in the almost you will get in the accounting software, but in Tally, this is very user friendly. Bill for the retailer and detail. Yes, Priyanchi. Display more reports. Rebook. In cash. 85,000. Or fee. See, this is in the blank format. So I should set the configuration. Yes. Then You can mention here the subtitle also, retailer or retailer invoice. It's not giving me this it's a format. So configure. Should be the just a minute. See, this is the retailer invoice. I'm sure like the student who was asking for the print, now it is somebody asked me for the printing. Ma'am, can we also generate a bill for retailers and dealers from here? Yes, now using print option. See, I configured only. I set only the configuration. I set only the configuration here. See, one more option is there, like every time whenever you want to print, take out the print, now you have to press Alt P. But instead of that, the moment you save the voucher, automatically it goes for the print. How? See, by altering the voucher type. Alter, then sales voucher type. Sales. And there is an option print voucher after saving. Set it yes. Default title for print. Sales invoice. Default blank. Bank. Right? Bank you can say. Show alter declaration. If you wish that, then you can manage the declaration also. Na? I'm sure when you purchase some item from the market, then you are getting this kind of declaration. So see, the moment you and again you can alter the voucher type also, na? Sales, and then you can apply the class. I told you na, for discount you have to apply the class. Discount allowed. That's it. Then in the daybook, the moment you save, na, Control A, automatically it will goes for the printing. There is no need to press the Alter P. Is it? I'm sure you satisfied from my answer, with my answer. Okay, Priyanchi, thank you. Like, see, job work material, little bit confusing is there. Tomorrow we will discuss about that. Because see, why it is giving me the sales option, no? We will check, I'll check. Okay. Now time for the query session. If you are having any query, then please ask. Because so many students are like generating the query in between. I tried my best, na? But still, if the queries are there, then you can raise the query. I'm waiting for your queries. I send it the exercise to the HO, and then HO will send it to you. Any question? How many exercise already you have done? I send it to you now. Almost to the 4 exercise I'll send it to you. 10th after 10. Yeah, sir will send you tomorrow. Today is 14th, no? 15th. Tomorrow 17th. Sorry. Just a minute. Today is 17th. Yes. Sir will send you. Okay, 2 assignments I already submitted for you. No, I'll not accept on Excel sheet. You have to complete in your Tally and then just take the backup. I'll tell you how to take the backup several times. Tomorrow I'll again tell you the backup. No, in not any, never I said put the registration number in the chat. Tomorrow you should ask to the sir, and then according to sir, just follow that instruction. If they need your registration number should be put in the chat box, then you should put. Otherwise, no, there is no. I never instruct you to put your registration number in the chat because I'm the trainer. I'm not taking your attendance, okay? Okay, fine. Anything else? Fourth one is pending. Okay, one general doubt. While creating data's ledger, we are entering address and PAN details. Is it possible to pull out ledgers with address and PAN? Yes, there is a report. There is a report. See, still we are not following the taxation. Na? Display more reports. Because of the, still we haven't opened the taxation. Na? So under the taxation, they are giving that kind of reports. Like the ledgers without PAN and without address. But presently we are not following the taxation, so that's why the report is not there. If you are following the taxation feature, then they will provide you the ledgers without PAN or address. And from there you can directly enter the PAN and address. See, the amount in your Tally display 25,000.2500.000 because when I created the units now, then in units like kgs and grams, I provide the 3 number of decimals in the decimal place. There is a while creating the, okay, I'm going to give you the explanation. When you create the units now, create, then unit. Okay. Simple. Then there is an option, for example, kgs. There is an option of number of decimal. Here you should put the 3 decimals. See, if you don't know the decimal, then don't touch it. And if you want decimal, then just assign out whatever you want. No? I put it there the 2 decimal. If you check now, alter units grams. See, here is a 3 decimal. So that's why it is giving me the 2500.33. Okay. Today we learn a very important feature, that is manufacturing. manufacturing. Okay. Yes, tomorrow I'll share the email ID, because now almost the like 6, 7 assignments are completed. So just take the backup of the assignment and then send it to me. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. Take care and bye. Good night.
Hello. Hello.